Alrighty, the fun starts here. This is the little office inside the auction house. I'm here to pick up the bikes, the 10 bikes. Take them over to the gas station, get gas in them, check the air in the tires, make sure they have oil in them. They're in the auction because they got repossessed by the bank. So sometimes people are pissed that their bike is getting repossessed, and they empty the oil or put shit in there or whatever. So Jeffrey's out riding the bikes up right now along with Gookgig, and I'm in here getting the keys and all the paperwork. So this is step one. And then we're going to transport all the 10 bikes over to Jeffrey's house just to get them out of here, be done with this phase of it, and then as long as it takes to get them up to the house, the rental house, it takes. But this is step one, getting the keys, getting the paperwork at the office. All right, here they are, pretty ducks in a row, 10 motorcycles, most of them blue for some reason. That's just the way it worked. In the front row is the Honda Waves, and they all have pretty little baskets. Very useful for grocery shopping. And then the Scoopies, the Scoopy Army, including the pink one. Jeffrey insisted I buy a pink Scoopy. And all the rest are blue. Just worked out that they're all blue. Didn't do it on purpose. That's what the numbers came out at. So here's the 10 bikes. They've all been separated from the gaggle over here, and now we're going to take them, check the oil, check the air pressure in the tires, top off the gas to at least half full, and go from there. Taking the bike out at the garage to give them the paperwork. And there's Gookgig, and there's Jeffrey off to the gas station. All right, we got 4 bikes left, and Jeffrey has absolutely insisted on driving the pink one. What that says about him, I don't know. But he wants the pink one. What number you got there, Ace? What's the number on the pink one?
I said 50.
50. All right. There it is. Pink and pretty. You're ready to go. And what do you go get? 72. 72. There you go. So this is round 4, and they're hopping off, taking them to the gas station, get some gas in them, checking the tire pressure, checking the oil, and we only got 2 left after this, and then we're going to lunch. There they go. All right. That is 5 Scoopies of various vintages. Hard to tell these guys apart, except that one has a little interesting foot mat. And then 5 Waves. Look at that, huh? Sway mock. Pretty. All lined up in a row. All right, here's Gookgig, who has been running the bikes back and forth to the oil change place for 100 baht. That's $3 a bike to get the oil changed. And she's my helper today, and I don't ride motorcycles, so Gookgig is doing the honors. Chai. There she goes. One bike at a time. Jeffrey was helping me go through the bikes and put orange stickers on whatever needs to be replaced. You can see that this one, it's got quite a few, upper, lower, cowling, plus the front fender, plus the knob is mangled. The rear brake knob needs to be replaced. This one has really nothing wrong with it. It's in good shape. This one's clean. This needs a little front fender, a little scrape on the front fender, and yeah, I know it's just a minor scrape, but remember, these are 2020 or 2021 bikes, so they look brand new. They should look brand new. So when they don't, I go ahead and replace the part. And that's an update.